adelaide.com.au. So we are here in Adelaide at the Terrace Hotel. We've just arrived and we've actually arrived early. So we're going to have to find something to do to kill a bit of time. So stay tuned, see what we get up to. So you wouldn't credit it, good old Matt. We're in the middle of Adelaide. Nothing to do, he says. I've got something for you to do. And amazingly wanders us halfway across South Australia to a coin show. So we're about to go inside the coin show. Matt, we couldn't hold him back. So he's already bolted off in there and he's racing around. He's in his element. So we'll go and see if we can find him and see what he's looking at.
10 more minutes, and he absolutely would have done that deal. No problem. I'm telling you. The event can wait. It's not a problem. Yeah.